Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 7th November. Let's start. In the year of 1858, on this day, Bipin Chandra Pal, the great revolutionary teacher, journalist and writer who fought against the British, was born. In the year of 1862, on this day, Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal emperor, passed away. The British government exiled him to Rangoon on the support of the freedom fighters, where he breathed his last in the custody of the British government. In the year of 1867, on this day, Marie Curie awarded the Nobel Prize for her important discovery in the field of radioactivity was born. She is the first woman to be awarded the Nobel Prize. She is the first person and the only woman to have received the Nobel Prize twice. In the year of 1888, on this day, C.V. Raman, the great physicist of India, was born. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery of the Raman effect. National Science Day is celebrated on 28 February on the day of Raman effect discovered by C.V. Raman. Raman effect is discovered on 28 February 1928. In the year of 1970, on this day, successful Bolshevik revolution in Russia, in which Lenin and Bolsheviks seized power, captured the Winter Palace and overthrew the provisional government. In the year of 1973, on this day, New Jersey became the first state to include girls in Little League Baseball. In the year of 1978, on this day, Jivraj Mehta, a prominent physician of India and the first Chief Minister of Gujarat, was born. He also served as the first Diwan of erstwhile Baroda state and as the Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom from 1963 to 1966. In the year of 1995, on this day, Howard Stern's second book, Miss America, was released. It is fastest selling book. In the year of 1996, on this day, NASA sent the robotic spacecraft Mars Global Surveyor into space to study Mars for a long time. In the year of 1998, on this day, US Senator John Glenn, the world's oldest astronaut, returned to the Earth after successfully completing the space journey. He was sent into space by NASA at the age of 77 to find out the effect of space travel on the body at an older age. In the year of 1998, on this day, US President Bill Clinton announced the easing of sanctions on India and Pakistan. In the year of 2000, on this day, C. Subramaniam, the father of the Green Revolution in India, passed away. The Green Revolution in the world was started by Norman E. Borlaug. In the year of 2000, on this day, India's social worker Tara Cherian, who was awarded the Padma Bhushan, passed away. She was the first woman mayor of Madras city. In the year of 2000, on this day, Hillary Clinton was elected to the US Senate, becoming the first US lady to win a public office and is still the first lady. In the year of 2002, on this day, Iran banned advertising of United States products. In the year of 2003, on this day, erstwhile US President George Bush signed a bill to ban abortion in the country. In the year of 2018, on this day, US President Donald Trump removed Attorney General Jeff Sessions and replaced Matthew Whitaker as acting Attorney General. In the year of 2018, on this day, actress Emma Thompson was made a Dame of the British Empire by Prince William at Buckingham Palace in London. In the year of 2018, on this day, the world's oldest figurative painting of an animal at least 40,000 years old was found in the Lubang Jeriji Saleh Cave, Indonesia, Borneo. In the year of 2019, on this day, Queen Elizabeth II confirmed she is no longer buying clothes made from genuine fur. In the year of 2019, on this day, researchers report that song lyrics evoke sadness. Studying 50 years of lyrics at the University of Exeter, the research was published in the journal Evolutionary Human Sciences. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indian diplomat Vidisha Mehta was elected to the United Nations Advisory Committee on Administrative and Budgetary Questions. In the year of 2020, on this day, the 51st mission of the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle was launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation. This was the first mission by ISRO in 2020. The carrier vehicle PSLV C-49 with EOS-01 as the primary delivered a total of 10 satellites. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated National Cancer Awareness Day. National Cancer Awareness Day is observed every year on 7 November in India to spread awareness about cancer, its symptoms and treatment. World Cancer Day is observed annually on 4 February. According to WHO, cancer is the second cause of death in the world. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.